I know this is perfect Brian weather, but I love driving in
Brian
with the windows cracked a little bit, let the cooler air come
I had
in.
the sunroof open this morning.
Yeah.
In the 50s, it was perfect.
You guys bring up the sunroof every chance you get because you know I don't have it.
Because you don't have one.
I just said the window's cracked.
That's
I'll rub it in every time.
He's driven by me before and be like,
hey, look at that.
like,
We all make choices in life, Keith.
I know. Some better than others. We talked about this. My problem with the sunroof, Brian, is that they never just ask you to add it. It's part of another package that I don't want. That's where I run into.
Challenge.
I don't need the ventilated seats as well. You
Also
know?
love those.
Stop.
It's got my back.
All right, 58 in Algonquin, 57 in Portland. A bit cooler today. Yeah, just a classic fall day with a mixture of sun and clouds. Got to 67, I think it was, in Bangor today. So we did all right for high temperatures, cooling down rapidly, of course, because as we speak, the sun setting, that's the time of the year that it is. Visible satellite is going to be harder to use going forward, but you can see that we did have some clouds in the last couple of frames there, in and out of the clouds through the afternoon. We're on the edge of a ridge of high pressure. So the ridge is up here, and this is actually what's left of Helene, just some showers down across the mid-Atlantic, and then here's a cold front. We talked last week about how this cold front might link up with Helene and give us some real rain on Wednesday night, but over the weekend, the computer models changed, and now this will slide away, and this front will come through by itself, and that front is not all that strong. So clouds increase tonight, temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50, a bit cooler across northern Maine, especially out towards Fort Kent and Presque Isle, probably into the 30s by early tomorrow morning, upper 30s. And then tomorrow's a largely cloudy day. Temperatures struggle, upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Should do it for most of us for a high. And then here comes our front. But notice, as that front moves towards us, it's dissipating the whole time. And so we might see a shower in the mountains tomorrow evening, but I think that's about it. Almost everyone else is dry, just a little additional cloud cover as that front comes through. On Thursday morning, we stick with some clouds along the coast, but then by Thursday afternoon, we clear out upper 60s to around 70 degrees, and we roll into Friday on a positive note. Friday should be right around 70 degrees, again with a good deal of sunshine around. So a nice end to the week, and that front just does not deliver as far as precipitation goes. Next chance of rain is Saturday. It looks like that front actually will clip us. And the question mark is just how long is that rain going to be sticking around? There'll definitely be showers through the first half of the day, but can we move it out and clear out the second half of the day? Still trying to figure that out. I think a better chance of clearing out over western Maine and New Hampshire, and a lower chance over down east and northern Maine. Just a little preview of October as we started out. We dropped temperatures obviously by the end of the month. One interesting fact here is that we average 0.2 inches of snow. It means some years it snows, some years it doesn't. Obviously it's often at the end of the month. I teased this guy, so I have to deliver. I was saying what the earliest measurable snow in Portland was, and I didn't know, so I guessed, because that's what I like to do on TV. October 10th was the answer. And Bangor's is October 9th.
Okay.
Earlier
than I would have thought.
You think it earlier or later?
No, I would have thought later. I know before Halloween, but
it happens. Yeah. That is quite early. Obviously, it is the earliest. But one final fact is that October is our wettest month on average. So.
Really bringing down the party today.
No, that one surprises people though.
Welcome to October.
Rain and snow.
Well, it doesn't always. It's just on average. I think a lot of that has to do with tropical systems over the years that we have caught that have dropped a lot of rain.
Fair. All right, Keith, thank you.